So, yun nga guys. Share ko lang tong Roaders Plus Hotel na malapit mismo sa Z8 exit ng Taipei Main Station. Ang lobby nila ay located sa 4th floor nitong Worktel Business Center at meron silang dedicated elevator kaya hindi kayo maghihintay na matagal bago makaakyat. Bubungad agad sa inyo ang carnival themed interior nila kaya kung may mga kasama kayong kids, siguradong matutuwa sila dito. Isa din sa mga nagustuhan namin ay pwede kang mag-iwan ng baggage if you'll arrive earlier than the check-in time. At ganun din kung ang flight nyo ay late night pa after your checkout. Kasama sa amenities nila dito ay itong snack bar na open 24 hours. They have different Taiwanese chips, biscuits, crackers, mini cakes, and candies that will give you a glimpse of this country's unique taste. At syempre, kung generous sila sa snacks, generous din sila sa panulak. They have a water dispenser with hot, cold, and warm settings at may disposable paper cups na rin. For your hot drinks, marami tayong options. They have drip coffee bag, black tea, milk tea, fruit tea, 3-in-1 coffee, Earl Grey tea, at decaffeinated na hibiscus berry tea. May stirrer, cover, at cup sleeves na rin for our convenience. And if you need water on the go, kuha ka lang ng mga bottled mineral waters nila dito. Libre din yan. And since they are under the Fon group of hotels, they offer their own merch as well. Kung gusto nyong kumain outside of your hotel room, meron sila ditong malaking dining area. Drive-in theater ang tema, kaya pwede kayong manood habang kumakain. May libreng food dito from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pero 24 hours din na merong libreng juice. Keep your camera handy din kasi bawat sulok dito Instagrammable talaga. And for those who are in for longer stays, isa to sa mga amenities na magugustuhan nyo. They have this huge laundry room na merong 4 na washing machines that you can operate starting at 50 NTD. Libre na yung detergent powder. Meron na rin sila ditong plancha at ironing board that you can use for free. They also have 4 dryers dito na pwede nyo rin gamitin at 50 NTD. May lost and found area kung sakaling may nalimutan kayo habang naglalaba. May sink dito and meron din silang mga steamer for your clothes. You can use it for free pati yung lint remover. May katabi rin pala itong ball pit area na perfect for your little ones. Kung may kasama talaga kayong kids, they would surely love this hotel. You can let them know by writing some notes and hanging them dito sa dedicated area nila. And if you think na yun lang ang amenities na meron sila for kids, just beside the toilet and washroom, meron ditong isang malaking play area where you can leave them to enjoy. Open ito from 10:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. and then magbubukas ulit at 3:30 p.m. up to 10 p.m. And last but not the least, you can send a postcard home for free. Kasama yan sa perks mo when you sign up as a member of Fon Group. Gusto nyo ba ng room tour? Meron tayo nyan. Kaya follow me for the next videos guys ha. Okay?